Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Friday, yes, almost weekend, Friday, February the 11th, 2022. We have here two regular Sudokus, and it's a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Here today, 6 extra puzzles. First one, Sudoku letter Sudoku. Then we have 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, another tectonic, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 3 of them. Include these 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. It will be 5 puzzles I will do. Yeah. Okay. First one. By the way, the news of today. Yeah. Happy news because we won again a gold medal. Yeah. This woman is very fast with speed skating, and yeah, another gold medal. So Holland is in the mood with the gold medals. Okay. First, Sudoku Light. Let me position the camera. Yeah. This one will be number 4111. 4111. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. 4 times 9, 36 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, well, the 1 star has 27 printed digits, so it should be a 1 star, but I need to be faster for 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think 36, maybe 12 minutes, 12 or 30 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. All right. How about the 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row, so the 1st row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the 3rd column, 4 in the 2nd column, so 1st column, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. All right. Then how about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the 1st row, 5 in the 2nd row, so the 3rd row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 2nd column, so the 1st column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see that 5, no 5 there, 5, it should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. All right. The 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this middle row, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. Wrong choice. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. Look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the third row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. You see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. And one number left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Okay. One box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Okay, one box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be 7. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes or 12 minutes. And I've solved this in 10 minutes. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second regular Sudoku. Sudoku heavy. Before I leave, these numbers I'm interested. I'm analyzing for more than 3 weeks. Well, maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here 8, 6, 5, 8, 6, 5, 2, 9, 8, 2, 9, 8, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7. Here we have 3 pairs. 3 pairs. The 6, the 8, and the 5. Okay. Thank you, and see you later. Bye bye for now.